Hey, this is NK Fabio, here to show what I ordered. Well, I've already unboxed this. The Supersport Continental from it's the whole, it's like a series, like BB98 series. Well, yeah, this is the it's one of those series. Should open on the back. Shows collect them all. So basically, this series is just 100 years extraordinary for each motor. Might be, yeah. It's nice looking. I was thinking, should I unbox it or not? Probably I might unbox it, but for another video. Yeah. Definitely nice looking. Don't really collect hardly of these Bentleys, but yeah. I know the same developer did either Skoda VRSs, might be Fabias and Octavias. But yeah, that's that kind of thing. And I was thinking of maybe, well, this was a assembly kit, but the Mustang, that was a street performance. It was an assembly line, but already built it. And here I already did the brake discs. You may not, probably can't really see that clearly. Yeah, but thing is, might show this one again, because this one, as I was building it, it was missing some item, well, this one thing, which was the the glass of the lens of the headlights. So I had to create like with some tape, which doesn't really come out all that like really nice and all that. So yeah, well, probably I don't know, might order another of these assembly lines. Probably fit like someone. But other than that, car looks nice. I didn't put anything on the back plate because I know it's supposed to show nice still. Yeah, and this is what it was showing, which is like just lame. But other than that, yeah, so I haven't really been posting out that much videos. Yeah, just had to be doing other things. I know, going through this lockdown, can't really do much. I was also updating some like videos on my other channel, like playthrough. Mainly I was playing Blood Rally. It's a game on Steam. It's really a good, awesome driving game. Go around running over pedestrians and racing other like opponents. Like it's also like there's like some special vehicles update and all that, which will be in my other video known as Nedra K101. So yeah, I'll post that up, upload it. Yeah. So and also might there's like another game that's coming out some more games. I might start uploading some games, playthroughs and all that I've been doing. And yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching.